Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's video is for the June 2022 Order Club. I had to look that up. This is the card kit that I came up with, and for those who place an order with me during the month of June will receive this kit in the mail. And you can see all the pretty goodness there. Couple of the products that we're using. We are using the Sentiments by Melissa Esplin. We're going to use this Hello sentiment. This is still available. And we are using one of my favorites, Stitched Fancy Brackets. This is also still available. So we'll get that out of the way. And we'll look at your kit. So your kit will include an envelope, a card base, a piece of, I do believe, 4 by 5 1/4 printed paper, and then it will come with these triangles. I'm going to show you how I'm cutting those triangles in the video today. We're also using black ink because I'll show you how I stamp on that little Stitched Fancy Bracket. First thing I want to do, I think, good golly, you'd think I'd be a little more prepared. I'm going to tack this piece down onto the card base. And this is, I think, 3 by 4. Yes, 3 by 4. And I'm going to slide it in here. You're not going to be able to see. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little teeny fold to give myself a little line there. You could mark it with a pencil if that's better for you. For me, the fold is good enough. So I'm lining up that fold, and then the top corner, I'm going to give that a little sliceroo. And then I'm flipping it over. And again, that bottom point that we created and the top point, another little sliceroo, and you end up with a cute little triangle. Same deal with the other piece. These pieces are already cut in the kit for you, but I just wanted to show you how I did this. Just like this. It's the easiest way that I know to make triangles. These pieces you can stick in your stash to use for something else or toss them, whatever floats your boat. I'm going to set them off to the side. I'll take my ATG gun and put a little adhesive on here. You could use liquid glue. So I'm going to line up the top just like that. And then we'll do the same on the bottom. Again, lining up that corner. And they'll be close, they'll overlap, it doesn't really matter. I think it's fine because this is going to cover everything up, and I am going to use glue for this. And 4 1/4 is 2 1/8. So we're going to go 1, 2 1/8. So I'm just trying to line it up a little bit. You can eyeball it. That gives me a good launch pad for eyeballing. Get myself in the neighborhood. Here we go with the hello. Let me grab my little foamy pad here. comes in every stamp set that Close to My Heart sells. And then this little block is actually one that comes in the Craft with Heart subscription. So every time you get a subscription box, it includes this little stamp block. It's a little different than the regular ones that we sell. It's a little thinner and kind of fun. And you can see I got a really nice impression using my little pad here. Now on the glitter, I do recommend either foam dots, pop dots, foam tape, or glue to hold to the glitter. Tape runner just does not seem to do the trick. And that's it. The card is done. Super quick and easy. Just like that. Thank you so much for ordering from me during the month of June. I hope you enjoy your kits. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.